Hi, first graders. Hope you're doing great today. We are going to do lesson 4 on page 29, and we're going to add numbers, make some number sentences again. Today we're going to add 0. And adding 0 is the same as adding none. 0, if you have 0, you have none. This could be easy. Be careful. Here's a number train, and I have, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I add none, how many do I have? I add 0. Well, does it look any different? No, it's still 4. When we add 0, it's still 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 0 is going to stay the same. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Well, let's get started. First graders, you should be on page 29, lesson 4, add 0. How do you add numbers again? You remember yesterday or a couple days ago, we actually made a number sentence and we used a plus sign and an equal sign. Let's do that again. Lemonade for sale. A lot of people like lemonade. I know I do. Let's see what it says. It says 7 people bought a glass of lemonade. So I'm going to draw my cube train of 7. You could use counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people. 7 people bought a glass of lemonade in the afternoon. Must have been a hot day, maybe. 0 people bought a glass of lemonade in the evening. How much is 0? Well, I don't have to draw anything because 0 is none. So let's write our sentence, our number sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people plus straight down and across. Make that plus sign. We say plus 0. I didn't draw any more number cubes. 7 plus 0 equals 2 dashed lines equals, didn't change, stays 7. The 7 stays the same because we didn't really add any at all. We have a plus 0, but that means none. 0 equals none. Okay, I'm going to erase that and we'll practice some more. So turn your page. Here we are. I'll read, you can follow along. When you add 0 to a number, the sum, that comes after the equal sign, the sum is the same as the number. When you add a number to 0, this time we're going to start with 0, and we add a number, 0 plus 2. The sum is the same as the number. Well, let's look at that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side of the domino, and on this side, 0 or none. 4 plus 0 equals 4, the other number. So you can trace over, make a nice 4. What if we start with 0? This time we start with 0. 0, none right there, no dots. And on this side is 1, 2. 0 plus 2 equals, well, it's not the 0, it's the 2. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Trace over and make a nice 2. That's a real good number to practice. 2. Okay, I'm going to erase that. Remember, you can push pause anytime. If I go too fast, you can slow Mr. Brzezinski down and just say, I can pause Mr. B, and then I'll practice writing. We're on number 1. 0 on this side, 0, plus this side, or this part, is 8. And what does that equal? You know? It equals the 8. Because when you have 0, there aren't any dots. It's the same as none. None plus 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. How about number 2? 5 plus, there aren't any on this side. No dots on that part. So this part has 5, this part has none. 5 plus 0 equals, you know, it's 5. That's another really important number to practice. Down, loop, and then put the tail on. Okay, we're going to try numbers 3 and 4. You can try to get them before Mr. B. You can push pause. 1 dot on this domino plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 3 dots on this side. 0 plus 3 equals, you got it, 3. Look at the question at the bottom, and you can talk to your home helper. I'll read it, and then you can tell your home helper. What happens when you add 0 to a number? You make a number sentence. Make a number sentence. Go back to this one. 1 plus 0 equals 1. There's our number sentence. What happens when you add 0 to a number? Explain to your home helper, and then practice the activities on Seesaw. See you the next lesson 5, and you're doing great, first grade.